Hi everyone, I'm here to do a quick unboxing, not really quick, but it's a double unboxing of two items in the same brand. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, so I just got this package and I'm gonna start with the smaller one, which is this one right here. And ta-da! And it's from Dior. Came in this little pouch and it has the tissues and everything in there. And it is, ta-da, a Dior ear cuff with the pearls and everything. So I'm just gonna show you guys, take this off, how it looks. If you hear the noise in the background, those are my kids and their cousins. So cute. Okay, the big one is in here. Oh, that's so sweet. She gave me a little goodies card. It says, thank you for your purchase. Aw, so sweet. Okay, so I got this from a seller on Instagram. So this is treatment. This is like some samples. And ta-da! So it came like this. Let me take this off. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. Okay. In this box. This is so cute. And this is my first ever Dior item. So I'm very excited. Do you guys have any guesses? Here's the dust bag. Oh my god. Ta-da! This is so cute. Okay, so this is the Dior Revolution bag, which is a clutch, crossbody, shoulder bag. And the whole thing of it is you can hold it like this. You can slip your hands through that. Oh, look at it. So this is in a black calfskin leather. And she said that the seller only wore it twice. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so you open it up and this feels like velvet, suede maybe. And you have the guitar strap that is also adjustable. So when you open it, there's 3 compartments. So this slip pocket right here, the main pocket, this zipper, and then there's a back slip pocket. Oh, and she put some stuff. So it is, so there's a control number, the card, and this was purchased in New York 2017, 2 years ago. There's that card, and then just a Dior booklet. Oh, I'm so excited with all the Dior trend right now that's going around. It's just, oh, I love it. And I was really drawn to this because of the big Dior and the gold, the black and the gold. That's my favorite. And then also, it's not really saturated in the resale market, which means that people must be really loving it. And I went on the Dior website and they're not selling currently the black with the guitar strap. So I'm not sure why that is, but I mean, it's a good sign, you know. Nobody really wants to sell it. It's so beautiful. To me, this is more classic than the Dior that I have in my ear. The Dior is just more classic. It's always been Dior. But yeah, I love it. Let's try it out. And it's actually a really good size. Let me attach these hooks. so cute. So these rivets don't have CD on them, but on this little grommet right here it says Dior on both sides, and same thing on the other side. And this is adjustable, so there's, let me see, okay, so there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 adjustment holes, and it's currently on the longest setting. And like I said, this is on the longest setting, and I'm 4'11" for height. So cute. Oh, I love it. Let me go on the other side so you can see the little flappy thing. Oh, I love it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.